Good day, traders. This is Crash Hunter over here. Let's have a technical and fundamental look on the prices of gold. So as you can see from previous day, Friday, we basically soar up all the way from this level all the way to 2088, okay, hitting this strong supply zone. And as you can see, the market like barely could close below this area, which is at 2082, okay. So for me, like I actually was short on gold, which is kind of um, stupid, honestly speaking, because at the beginning I was okay, like during this range, I entered and everything was perfect, and then basically I exited, okay? Then I entered over here, multiple positions, some of them went in profits, and then basically the market reverse, okay? With this candle and with these candles as well. And I kept holding my positions, and unfortunately I am still holding these positions and I'm getting wrecked by the market. I know it's kind of stupid to hold your losses. I understand this, but believe me, I'm ready to take this loss, okay? So I have the plan and it's all okay. Like if I take the loss, it's totally fine. I'm not freaking out, and I know like if the price go to a certain level, I will just cut the losses, okay? So as you can see, basically over here, the market moved, he fell over here, the market moved, we have this massive breakout and then boom, full rejection. And then same thing over here, we basically moved higher, we created higher lows and higher highs, and then we got rejected again. So low, high, low, high, low, high, and then we have this rejection. And same thing basically over here. Um, like if we go and if we take this as well, you will see how the price did react, okay? Same thing, lows, lows, highs, but the structure of overall was actually bullish, okay? In terms of the higher lows and the higher highs. But if you look at the bigger picture from this rejection and this rejection, we were bearish, right? Then the market dropped, he respected the whole sells and he respected the sellers, and until we have this massive breakout, okay? This is actually huge, and I am honestly surprised by how the market did move from this area all the way to this area in one candle, like from this level all the way to this level in one candle. So if you ask me now where's the supply zone, I would say, well, this is your supply, and for me, like if I really want to go long, I will wait to see a reaction over here, something like this, and I will take the longs. So once the market drop back again to this area, which is 2056, it's a nice zone where you can take a buy. I expect on Monday and maybe Tuesday, on Monday honestly, is that the prices to drop back again to 2065, and we will see some hovering over here for the prices, and with the news uh, maybe we will see a breakout from this level all the way to 2053, and here it will be a very crucial level for the buyers. So my plan is not to add any positions over here. My plan is that I will wait to see how the market will react at these levels, okay? In case there is a good price section, I will cut my sales, I'll take the loss, and I will buy, okay? I will buy at this area, and my first TP to be at 299 or maybe 296, something like this. And if I see there's a good price section as the one as was over here, I will hold my trades, okay? From a structural point of view, we broke through this area, okay? So this was your range, and this is how the market was moving, right? And then once we moved higher, we failed to go down, okay? From 2030, we failed, and instead we moved higher. And it's for me, it's like a trap, honestly, because like back in the days, I took a buy over here, okay? And I was thinking, okay, 2030 is the perfect area where I can go long, and my first target to be 2092, like during this range. But the market basically went down. We do this correction, and as you can see now, we really start to have a strong bullish move on the gold. Okay, so from a fundamental point of view, the files, the data basically of yesterday were negative for the dollar. And in the previous videos, 2 weeks ago, maybe more, I was saying that the dollar index, the DXY, is going to be bearish. And in fact, it is respecting my analysis over here, as you can see. But like, I didn't expect that such a move, like from this top to this bottom, would make the gold to skyrocket like this, almost 2.20% gain in one day, maybe more. I don't want to see it because it's just so annoying, honestly, for me to see such kind of manipulation, honestly, in the price section. Huge acceleration if we really consider this, just this candle itself from here to here. Okay, from here to here, it is 2.03% gain. Okay, it is just in 1 hour. Okay, like, no, sorry, it's in 4 hours. Okay, from here to here, 2.06. Okay, so I don't know, it's just too crazy, honestly. Okay, for the fundamentals, we will have basically quite strong files this week, next week, sorry. It is the ICM service PMI. It is a good one, actually. It would impact the market at some point. We have this one is very strong, and we have this one as well. It's moderate, and he will move the market as well. Okay. On the other hand, if we go down, we have the employment claims for sure. And which else on Friday? I think the NFP. We have this one, non-farm employment change. Okay, and unemployment rate. These two files are actually important. So we will see how this thing will goes. But yeah, I got tricked by it officially, honestly. And yeah, it's just, I don't know, it's so crazy. I'm holding 0.03, only 0.03. I made few positions, but believe me, these profits that I took is nothing comparing to the loss that I'm holding right now. Okay, it's just to be transparent with you. Yeah, it's just too crazy. This candle was honestly very strong. Okay, so all what I will wait is basically pull back to this area. Okay, and if I see a break through this level, I might hold. Okay, it depends on the news. It depends on, we have a Fed meeting as well, which will be this one over here. Okay, 6 p.m. Fed Chair Powell testifies. Okay, it will be important for the markets as well. So we will see how this thing will react. Okay, from a geopolitical standpoint, if the Israel-Palestine agree on a ceasefire, basically the gold will drop massively. Okay, all the way back again to these levels. Okay, 1960, maybe even below. Okay, so we will see how this will goes. From, if we speak about a long-term view on gold, I would say if the geopolitical tensions still up to that day, and I mean, like, if it's still in action, basically you will see such corrections, and basically the prices will soar all the way, I don't know, to 150 or to 200, something like this, above this wick over here. Okay, I know it's crazy, but it's a fact. And I'm just worried about that because, you know, back in the days, how gold does move on the daily standpoint is very strong. Okay, if we really have a breakout as this one, like if we assume this level over here as this one over here, I am basically fucked if I hold my positions as a seller. Okay, and you can see like how this candle move, and how this candle move is just unrealistic, right? I mean, in terms of the price action, it's so crazy, honestly. So there is a lot of buyers over here, they are bidding and they are buying. So I do believe we can move above this key level over here, which is at 2072. Maybe, as I said, if the geopolitical tensions are still going on, if there will be a Fed rate cut, or if the Fed will be dovish on the dollar, we will see a huge move for the gold prices in the coming days. Okay, just to be transparent with you. If we go to the COT data report, this is the commodity exchange, okay, for the gold futures. And as you can see here, this is the non-commercials. We have longs, we have shorts, and you can see for the non-commercials, there's 214K buys, okay, longs, they are going long. On the other side, on the other hand, for the shorts, we have 73 only. We go to the commercials, it's totally the opposite, where we have 266 shorts and only 108 longs, okay? Non-reportable, kind of small, and I won't consider it, okay? And this is, you can see how the percentage change between the non-commercial and the commercial. And you can see basically the volume. And for sure, the non-commercial, they would move the market as they want. Sorry, the commercial one, I guess. Wait a second. Yeah, I think the commercials. Wait a second. Okay, so this is the commercial. Yeah, this is the non-commercial. Yeah, the non-commercial is basically in control in this situation, because for the commercials, it's just retail traders as me who are trading short on gold, unfortunately. So yeah, I made the mistake, and I'm totally aware of it. If your stop did hit, it's totally fine. We will recover it. Like as I said before, 2042, I think this was our stop. Okay, and these were the entries, and this was the stop. The market hit it easily. Okay. So I guess this is it for this video. I don't want to make it any more long. If you really want to take a buy, don't buy at these levels. Okay, you will basically you will get a breakout. Okay, you will get a breakout because the market knows a lot of buyers will come and will take huge positions over here at these levels. Okay, and basically he will drop on them. He will take their liquidity, and he will respect as well this level of supply from these areas was really strong. You will see the market to retrace again over here, and basically this is your best level to buy the gold. Okay, me personally, if I see the price over here, if there's signs of good price action for the buyers, I would cut my trades, the sells, and I will join the buyers side. Okay, I will take the buys from here all the way, I don't know, maybe to this level, maybe to this level, maybe even higher. Okay, so we will see how this will goes. Okay, this is it for this video. I hope it was useful. I will catch you up with the new videos, with the new signals for sure in the upcoming days if there is something interesting. Thank you so much for watching the video until the very end.